Hello everyone. So today I'm going to tell you more about coding. So first, we need some images on our website. So I'm going to choose something like let's go to images and get one. You know this one. Right. This is a GIF. We don't want GIFs. We could use GIFs. So I'll just open this and okay, good. I am just save images. So I'm gonna take a bit of some time. So that's cool. We can also put GIFs as like that. So coding project do assets new folder called assets assets no assets. Open it, not downloaded. Not JPJ, it's GIF. Supposed to be a GIF. GIF be a GIF. Okay. Sun.gif. Save and to download it takes a lot of time. So yeah. Um this solar eclipse, never mind. It's licensable. I'm not doing this. It's like licensable. Um sunset. I'll do this one. Sun.gif. So like just also work. So I'm just going to save image as again WebP file. I don't know what it is, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and sunset. This is WebP. I don't want WebP. Just you can't see it, right? Sorry. I'll just make you able to see it. Um. So so you got the this image and this GIF is licensable. The one I was talking about. Sorry that I didn't know it. So I just open File Explorer and open the coding projects folder. Good. Change it. Good. Okay, so this one I open assets. I have opened assets. Okay. So sun.gif and sunset.webp. I don't Chrome HTML. I don't know why just Chrome HTML. I'll just do this because like don't really know. Get opened it. I don't want this as a WebP, but yeah, I think it's gonna work. So like any image file will work, even GIFs. So let's say I want to add it here. Now I want to tell you this thing about breaks. So if you want to break, but then you can't do it, you want to save space, like you want to just do it on this line, except you want to break, then you can just do BR, the BR tag, and this is self-ending. So you can just leave it like that, or you can put a space and then a slash. I think a backslash, not a exiting out character. This one, but I just prefer to do this. So then that, and then we'll put an image tag. Now this is also a self-ending tag, and because like it has no image, so you have to put a src thing. So assets slash see it comes up in this. I never saw this because I never put images on my website. So sunda gif and sunset.webp. I'm doing sun.gif to show that gifs work. So yeah, this one. I reload it. Yep, see, comes. I don't know why it's not moving. It'll come, I think, in some time. Sorry from out. I keep on forgetting to do that. Keep on forgetting to do it. Hello world. Uh, Google Chrome. Yeah, just not moving. I think it's just yeah. So it does work with GIFs though. It's just that it didn't get downloaded as a GIF. I don't know why. Just my Explorer. I don't know. I'm just gonna close my Explorer. It's a bit creepy. I'll save the properties. Okay, good. So it just works, and it's going back to VS Code. Now, excuse me. What about videos? Can you put videos? You can put a video. There's also self-ending tag. Cool, did that for me. So SRC, I haven't done an SRC. So let's do assets. So then assets. No. I'm just going to get an image video. I'll just download my video. No, not my video. Also, one thing I want to tell. Yes, one thing I want to tell is that so when you're doing something, you can just choose these or you can do this. So now it goes one directory back. So this is my profile pic. This is my video, so I can just include the video. And it's gonna play. Now it just okay. So I'll just refresh. Sorry, and save it. And coming back, and I'm going to reload, and then a video comes. I don't know what isn't playing, but right, it came. Play, please play. Then my OBS Studio. I just hope you can hear me. I haven't added my input, my voice, audio input capture. Sorry if like I didn't actually if you can actually hear me. Like I did, but show you this image. It's a self-ending, same like the BR. So the BR element represents a line break. So the video element is used for playing. Used for playing videos or movies and audio files with captions. I did not know that. So like they're all attributes. So I think I've seen some videos. So I think it's auto autocomplete, autoplay. I mean, and then for no, what is it? I forgot. But just it's supposed to now autoplay. So it's not going to have to. So yeah. Sorry, I keep forgetting to change it. Next time I'm just gonna change it. Okay, but like this, it's not just. It's just not playing. I really don't know why. Anyway, I'm just coming back. Now this is a self-ending one, but like there's another way to do it. Oh, we can just delete this thing. Um, no, I'm gonna delete this, and then we can like do this thing. Can also do this, but if you're like a beginner, you like it will be better if you just done. So src is equal to, now you put the thing, dot to dot, and then this one you could just do that. This is a self-ending tag, and now you could just put this error text. So you could, yeah, you just say like this text will. So you could just, I'm just gonna put it inside a p tag. So the video element is not supported in your browser. Please try another modern browser. Yeah, so then, yeah. It's not going to display it now. But like, see, it's going to be the same. I just don't know why it isn't coming. Excuse me. So like, you can also do this Control Shift I. If you watch my last video, Control Shift I open the Inspect panel. You can also right click and inspect. And I don't know why this show controls, please. Please, please. I'm stuck. Oh, right. Oh, this is cool. This is cool. It wasn't playing. Yeah.
So, hello everyone.
See?
Uh,
Yeah. Now, how you do that? What is this div? Right, we made that div. Now, this autoplay controls. And if you uncheck this, this controls go away. If you want the controls to be there already, then like you do controls. Good. So, gonna show controls already there. So you can just open this full screen. I don't want you out of there. And
so, hello everyone.
so yeah, it is my credit. So I can actually show you, so that because I've seen many people. Sorry, I keep forgetting this. Oof, this is like, last time I did it with screen, but then my OBS came in, so this controls.
Today I'm going to teach.
So like, I don't know what this is. What is this? Picture in picture. Cool. I do not want to. Like, yeah, that's the thing. Advantage with picture in picture. And the volume, whole screen, and this. And like this is also cool. Except like you may want to do it yourself. So yeah, I was gonna show a video. So like, it's just the same place, same. So the video element is not supported in your browser. Please try another modern browser. it shows up in the inspect, except it doesn't show up in the video. Like, I don't know, I don't have an old browser, but like, I don't know. I think IE1 will not support video, of course. So yeah. What about the sunset one? Sunset